students. Today we are going to start Unit 1 topic Boolean algebra. In the exams, it's definitely 1 to 2 question asked. So first of all, what is Boolean algebra? The term Boolean algebra is described by English mathematician George Boole in between 1850 and 1864. Again, this question is asked so many times in 1 marks. Who coined the term Boolean algebra? So George Boole, the English mathematician, coined the term Boolean algebra. It is described as an algebra of logic or an algebra of two values, true or false. So first of all, we try to understand what the term means. Algebra of logic. Algebra of logic means the statement having either value true or false. If true, or you can say yes, then it represent by 1, or it false, or you say no, it represent by 0. So for example, this example clear you what is the Boolean algebra logic means. You turn on your computer. When you turn on your computer and it starts any default, that means the true value. It shows as 1, and somehow any problem occur during booting and it not start properly, then it shows false or no or value 0, because computer only understand 0 and 1 language. That's why this 2 symbol is only used. So once again I want to repeat what is Boolean logic means. Boolean logic means the statement having binary decision. Having binary decision means either just take 1 or 0. So now see the application of Boolean algebra, where it is used. So it is used to perform logic operation in digital computer. As I told in the previous example also, it used in the digital computer. Digital computer, true represent 1, 1 here yes, it also say high voltage, and false means 0, low voltage, or you can say no. So when anything is true, it represent by 1, and when anything is false, it represent by 0. Now come to see logical operations are performed by logical operator. So logical operation is performed by logical operator, and first of all we try to understand what is logical operator. There are only 3 type of logical operator basically: and, or not. So and is called conjunction, or is called disjunction, or not is called complement. So what is and, or not, I will explain in the next slides. So here is the AND operator. It performs logical multiplication and denote by dot. So AND operator is basically used for multiplication, and everyone we are aware with the multiplications. So AND operator is used for multiplication purpose. Here you see two variable x and y, and third variable x dot y. So AND operator is represented by dot. Here you can see this dot. So AND operator is used by dot. That's why the third variable, their product is shown as x dot y. And how 0 1 0 1 it takes? So in number system, I know you are aware with the number system. If you are not aware, I will tell in the next class what is number system. So this is taken by from number system. So this is taken basically from 0101 form, and this is taken in 0011 form. And when we multiply it, 00, their product is 0, 01 product is 0, 10 product is 0, 11 product is 1. In computer terms, the dot is represent AND operator. Hope so, AND operator is clear. Now coming to OR operator. OR operator is logically addition and denoted by plus. So here this plus symbol, you can see this plus symbol, it's denotes the OR operator. Again, x and y are two variables, and here the third variable, it shows the OR operator, and OR operator is shows for addition purpose. For multiplication purpose, AND operator is used, and for addition purpose, OR operator used. And how is xy value comes? So again 0101 for two variable, and 0011, it's take according to number system. So when 0 and 0 add, its come value 0. When 0 and 1 add, its value comes 1. When 1 and 0 add, its value comes 1. And 1 and 1 add, then its value comes 1. In computer, 1 and 1 is used as 1. Is not like in mathematics that 1 and 1 is 2. So in computer, 1 and 1 is 1. NOT operator. NOT operator logically negation. It denoted by bar. Here you see the bar symbol. So NOT operator is used as single variable. Single variable, here you see only the x is used. In AND or OR, two variable is used. Here only one variable used. And negation means is the complement. If you take 0, it comes 1. If you take 1, it comes 0. So NOT operator. Here NOT operator is represented by bar. Once again I explain everything. AND operator is used for multiplication. It's denoted by dot. OR operator is used for addition. It's denoted by plus. And NOT operator is used for negotiation or complement, and it represented by bar. Here you see the truth table. 0, it after negotiation or computation is 1. 1 after negotiation or complement is 0. Means reverse value. It's used in or NOT operator. Now what is truth table? Here, now basic thing, what is truth table? The truth table is table that contain all the possible values of logical variables and statements in Boolean expression. So this is called truth table. This is truth table. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. So this is the example of truth table. So here how this truth table is come? Here the formula, number of possible combination 2 की power n, where n is the number of variable used in a Boolean expression. Again you see here in the example, x and y are two variable. In the formula, when we put 2 की power 2, so how much value comes? 2 की power 2 means 4. So here you see the 4 value is there, 1 2 3 4. So hope so it's clear to you. Now see here also, here is only one variable, so 2 की power 1 is equal to 2. So 2 value is used in this truth table. So this is exactly the same thing is written is here. 2 की n means where the n number of variable used in a boolean expression. And what is truth table? Truth table is the table that contains all possible values. तो जितनी भी पॉसिबल वैल्यूज हो सकती हैं उसको एक ट्रुथ टेबल में, एक टेबल में, उसको ट्रुथ टेबल कहते हैं। ये एग्जांपल आप इसको मैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं। ये ट्रुथ टेबल कहलाती है। और कैसे आ रही है ये फॉर्मूला? मैंने बताया कि 2 की पावर n। सो n की जगह पे हम लोग वेरिएबल x और y है, यहां पे हम लोग क्या रखेंगे? दो वैल्यूज रखेंगे। x और y दो वेरिएबल है तो 2 की पावर 2 मीन्स 4। तो कितना आंसर आएगा? 1 2 3 4। तो 4 रिजल्ट आया। तो ये कैसे आया? जब हमने दो वेरिएबल यूज हुआ और 2 की n फॉर्मूला में हमने जब 2 रखा उससे। सिमिलरली नॉट ऑपरेटर में एक वेरिएबल है, जब हम 2 की पावर 1 रखेंगे तो 2 की 1 मीन्स 2, तो 0 और 1 दो वैल्यूज आए। होप सो इट्स क्लियर टू यू। थैंक यू।